Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT to get relationship advice. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. So, to think of ChatGPT as your personal, confidant, or relationship consultant. Frame your prompts thoughtfully, much like you would in a heartfelt conversation. When seeking advice, remember to be clear and specific. For example, if you are facing challenges with a possessive partner, you could pose a question like, how can I deal with a possessive partner and maintain a healthy relationship? The response you receive may not mirror the insights of a human relationship expert, but it can provide you with alternative perspectives and strategies. ChatGPT's input can serve as a valuable addition to your decision-making process. Ultimately, the key lies in crafting your prompts with care and interpreting the responses in a way that aligns with your unique situation. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.